arukayo ubutumwa bwaha kukinga ekiganiro ky'abeegi abarikushomebera jiro mukuru w'ekitongore kirikugita bapurida bakazi omu ihanga ekya Female Lawyers Network FLN Honorable Dr. Joyce Narungabire mu maaso yakabukyeire eminyeto obutafa ahamagara gaabo.
Look at your life holistically. Look at your life as a bigger picture. Look at your life and ask yourself every day, what do I want to become? I said my topic is what you believe you become.
Imwe abantu abali okwaheru, imwe students abali okwaheru, mutakoma just kushoma ebyanyu byonka, mugezeho no kushoma ebyabandi kwenda ngu obaase kumanya na no kubaasa okutura omu nseegi.
Ogu nagira ngo abazaire nibatamucanga okureba ngo abaana babo baza aha mashomero enshonga habwe nkibine kozesa kurungi obunyeto bwabo.
But listen, this is the lesson I've learned. No one will look at your problems. No one cares about your past. People want to see what you bring on the table. People want to look at the value you're bringing on the table. So as you study here at BSU, what academic grades do you have? People will not care whether you are struggling in hostel.
Who tells you that it's coming from a rich family? If you are rich, then why are you here? We all come from, we call them humble, but the right one is not humble. The right one, you know it. Hey, I don't struggle it. You know the one with 4 letters. 4 or 5 letters. Poor families.
Obwate ekitongore ekya Female Lawyers Network kikwatanise n'abebembezi b'abeegi hamwe n'abakuru b'amatendekero gatari gamwe na gamwe mu ihanga okutaha ebiganiiro ebi okuhwera abeegi okugaruka aha muramwa aha bwa TV West Ndyamusiimanta.